In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to create another portal using water bucket and a lava pool that you find naturally, and some blocks. So first of all, make sure you find a lava pool and you place a block in the middle of a funnel layer like this. So you make sure you have 2 spaces to the right and 2 spaces to the left. So I'm gonna place the block right here, and now to the side, the right side, I'm gonna place the water bucket, which forms 2 obsidian blocks right there. I'm gonna break this block right here and making 2 other obsidian blocks to there, and I'm gonna pick up the water bucket right there. Next, I'm going to create some function with a block, so like a third pillar right here to this end of the base of the portal. I'm gonna make 3 towers 3 blocks tall, and a pump coming out of there. And to the left side of the portal space, I'm gonna place 2 blocks right there like that. Now I'm going to place my water bucket right towards the vertices of this tower right there, and the water will flow in this angle so it does not affect the lava pool. And now you can pick up lava in your bucket and place at the sides of this water bank, or the edges, which creates a bit of obsidian blocks. Just pick up random lava bucket. That's done. To the left, up there. Now up there. Make sure not to block your water source. And right there. Lastly, using your pickaxe, if there's some bases right down there which are still not turned into lava obsidian, you can break that block and pick up a lava bucket and place it down there, like that. And now you can pick up your water bucket, and there you have it, your obsidian portal made. Now all you have to do is just light it up and go into the nether. Alright guys, that's it for the video.